Hello friends, this is very important lesson. See, this is WordPress lesson. Many of you already saw this problem, WordPress problem. If you are using WordPress website, see what's the message? There has been a critical error on your website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instruction. Okay, and if you want to visit your website, see there has been a critical error on your website. I'll solve this problem for you. Well, first of all, as I always say, if you're new in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and share with your friends so they can also know what is actually problem. Well, first of all, you need to log in your control panel, C panel, then click file manager. This is very easy method, okay, you don't need to worry. Then click public underscore HTML, then double click web dash content. That's it, plugins. You need to rename here. If you rename this folder, your all plugins gonna deactivate it automatically. This problem actually came from plugins, so you need to check which plugins doing problem. Click rename and then click write anything, okay. Write anything, you can write anything, no problem. You don't need to write my name, this is my name link one. Click rename file. Then if you want to visit your website, hit enter or refresh. See, this is working. Now you need to visit your web-admin. This is also working. Now click plugins. See this is 3 plugins. I have many plugins here. Then rename this again, erase, only select plugin, then click rename file, refresh this again. See, this all deactivated automatically. Now click active slowly and watch which plugins doing problem. Okay, I'll activate this. Nothing happened, so this plugin working fine. Now apply online, this plugin I will activate this. This is also working well. Now this is also well. Now JP student, this is also well. Now mechanic visitor counter, activate this. This is also well. Now click notice board. This is also well. Now click TC Team Manager. See, this plugin is actually doing problem in my website. I found this and I'm not gonna use this. Now rename this again. Click rename file. Again, visit again. Click plugins, all deactivated, and rename this, erase this, click rename file. Now refresh this page and I will activate all plugins except this, okay. Web file manager, activate. Hope no more plugins gonna make an issue here. All gonna work fine. Mechanic, JP student, notice board, simple board. I'm not gonna use UTC Team Manager. voice chat. I hope no more problem. Now WooCommerce, this is most popular plugin if you want to sell online. WooCommerce admin, Facebook for WooCommerce, working, mail working. Now activate. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this. Please subscribe my channel, and I hope you know now how to solve this problem. Thank you.